Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLabs Engineering Service Private Limited. BIMLabs is an Autodesk authorized learning partner. Myself Edu Krishna, working as the technical engineer at BIMLabs. Today we are going to learn about how to manage and create viewports. In this drawing there are two floor plans, the ground floor plan and the first floor plan. Section, elevation, site plan, location plan, the rainwater details and the septic tank. Now I am going to set all these into a sheet. For that, coming to the layout option, deleting this viewport. In the last video, we learned how to create a title block. Now to bring the title block, press right click on the layout option, choose from template. I am picking title block.dwt, opening it. Layout. Now a layout 3 layout 1 title block has been created. When the title block was created, page was already set up. This is an A2 sheet. Now I'm going to set the drawings into this title block. Coming to the layout option, as you can see, there are 3 types of viewports: rectangular, polygonal, and object. First of all, viewport is the tool which enables us to visualize the drawings in a sheet. So here I am choosing a rectangular viewport. As you can see, the drawings in the model space are now visible. If you want to make the viewport active, double click inside and adjust the zoom. If we want, we can switch off the grid lines by switching off this grid option. Since the plan, section and elevation are in the same scale, arranging them in a single viewport. We can adjust the size of this viewport, selecting the viewport, dragging here, left side also, and placing this viewport to the top left side. Now I am going to create a polygonal viewport using polygon. We can draw any shape with this polygon. And pressing enter. Now double clicking inside and choosing the site plan. Then double clicking outside. Selecting the viewport, and we can adjust this drag points. To suitable measures. Important note, after setting the scales, we should not accidentally double click and zoom it, because the scalings will alter. In order to avoid that, we can lock the display. In order to do that, select the viewport and locking the display by choosing this option. The next one also. Now, even though we double click it and zoom it, the action won't take place. Now I am going to create a circle from the drawing panel. Now I am going to convert this circle into a viewport. For that, come to the layout option, picking object and selecting the object. Now the viewport has been created. Now we can adjust any views accordingly. See, so these three are the types of viewports in AutoCAD. Now I am going to adjust those drawings by rectangular viewport. If we want, we can edit from here itself using the move tool and making it closer. Now setting the site plan, sorry, location plan. Taking from layout option, rectangular viewport. After arranging the drawing, we can see the boundary lines of these viewports, but we should not make them visible in a sheet. So we need to hide it. Either we can create a new layer for it or assign the viewport to any of these layers. Now, this depth point is a layer which I am not using. F point is a layer created automatically when we give dimensions. So I am going to select all the viewports and selecting depth points. Now I am going to turn off those layers. Now you can see the boundary lines are now disappeared. And this is how you set up a sheet. So that's all for creating and managing viewports. Thank you.